Dodds Doors, Denise speaking. How can I help you today?
When you're buying a Dodge door, you're buying a door that looks better, lasts longer, from a company who cares. You know, Dodds has been in business since 1958. And of course, the products have changed, they're modernized, but the one thing that remains consistent is the customer experience, and that's the most important thing to us. I'm proud to work for Dodds Garage Doors, and I'm also proud of our team. They want to make sure that the customer experience is second to none. When it comes to doors, we basically have our doors designed for us. They're made for us to our specifications. So instead of putting cheaper hardware, cheaper materials on it, we upgrade them. So we have better rollers, better hinges, better springs.
Every step of the whole process, from the sales consultation right through to the install of our beautiful garage doors, was absolutely amazing.
Hi, I'm calling from Dodds Garage Doors. Just following up to see how everything went with your installation.
I had a great experience with Dodds. I had tons of options to choose from. I kind of knew what I wanted in a garage door, and they had exactly that. I linked them up to my builder and I got exactly what I needed, and the customer service was fantastic.